Hi, my name is Joey Sullivan. I'm with SylvanSport, and I'm going to show you our SylvanSport VAST today. Behind me you have the VAST. Um, this is our flagship product for our enclosed travel trailers. So most people know our product from the tent trailer world, and this is our foray into the hardside camper world. And I'm going to do a quick walk around with you on this and kind of give you some highlights. So we'll go to the front first. So in the front we have our storage in here, our storage compartment. Everything has a place in our campers. So this would be any kind of, and it's a little messy right now, but any kind of gear you have, levelers, cables, whatever would go in here. Behind this, one cool feature is these can be filled with ice and used for tailgating if you wanted, and you can drain it if you need to. Behind this, this compartment moves out and in. So as you see, I'm going to pull it all the way out. We have our spare tire and our propane tanks that stay behind here. It's nice because people don't know they're there. There's light, so you can see if you're trying to change the tank out at night or whatever. But when you're not using it and you're traveling, that just pushes right in and locks in place. As we work our way around here, this is our kitchen. I actually have this in the out position. It actually slides up inside, but just to give you an idea of the concept of the kitchen, we wanted a kitchen that could be used indoors or outdoors. So we have it in the outdoor mode right now, and there's your refrigerator right there that just pulls right out. The door will open either way for these. You have your stovetop. You have your microwave, your sink, and then your storage drawers, and then you have plugs for whatever you need. The cool part about the refrigerator is you can actually pull it off. It has a battery. It can be used for, for tailgating or whatever, put in your car. But it has a dock it's in right now, so it stays charged when it's plugged in. But when you pull it off, you also have extra charging, 12-volt charging, whatever you need for it. So as we kind of work our way around, you notice the European style doors we put on these, acrylic windows, and we make all of our windows, we've designed them so they're large, but you have bug screens or night screens in these. So you can be in night mode, or you can be in day mode, and have the windows open, the back end and the side window open, and get a nice breeze through here. So it's really kind of a nice feature. As we work our way around, the back door is in the open position right now. You also have your window up there. We'll keep walking around in a second and just do the outside, finish the outside first. We put kayak racks on the sides of these. This is an option you can go with or without, but it's kind of nice. You can put 2 kayaks on here. I've had people that have actually come up with ideas to mount other things on these, so it's kind of neat. So
I'll go ahead and show how to do it.
So this just pops out just like that. So you lay your kayak on here. You have your straps here. You strap your kayak down, and then you can leave this out when you're traveling, or you can just push it back in. And that way your kayak is still mounted to the wall and nothing is sticking out. We try to we use this rotomolded plastic for all of our fenders and our front boxes. This stuff is super thick. It's about that thick. So if you blow a tire, you're not tearing this up. It's not going to tear off like aluminum would or anything like that. So we put tires that are rated to, those are Lodestar tires rated to, I believe they're rated to like 92 miles an hour or something of that nature. So they're rated for the highway use. Going to the inside, this is your couch. And what's cool about this is if you need storage, you just push this forward. And so now you have access to your batteries under here. You have power access if you want to put another cooler. You have tie-down access. You can put your e-bikes back here or whatever you want to put back here, which is really kind of cool. And it's all designed to slide. We've had some customers who have actually pulled these out and taken out to make full storage out of it if they need it. We'll head to the inside now. So when you come inside our unit, you will see our couch. We actually have a table that's hidden underneath the couch that pulls out and goes into one of those plugs in the floor, one of two plugs. So you can either do it like a regular table or like a little desk mode if you need it for working. Once again, your plumbing, your electronics, everything is pretty easy to get to. So like your heat and your water heater will be down here in the access trunk below. We use a Truma Combi system. You generally only see those on vans. A true water filtration system. And all your plumbing is accessible right here. So if you have a problem with winterizing or whatever, it's easy to access and get to if you need to. The TV, obviously your TV and electronics are here. We use Firefly electronics. We do have wireless phone charging capabilities in the bed up top. And the lift is right here, so I'll just lower this bed real quick for you. So there's your bed. You have lights up there. You have light switches up there, so you can turn your lights on and off from the back. There is also netting on the side, so you won't drop anything between the bed and down below. I generally keep that down. I only set that up when it's in use, so it's not set up right now. But I'll push the bed back up. A few cool little things we do. We have a product called our Kylight system that is underneath here. So if you look under here, you have these lights here. They change colors, do all kinds of things. You can set them to one color. You can let them dance to music or do whatever you want with them. I tend to just leave them on one color. It just depends on what you're doing. You know, they're kind of cool though because they do some neat things. This will turn into a full queen bed down below, so you can sleep 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. Obviously, you have your closet space. We have space for your ladder for your bed if you need it. Towel hooks. We got our walking sticks that come with them. And then in the bathroom, and I'll let you walk in there if you want to, and I can just talk through it. So in your bathroom, you have your fold-down sink. You got your vanity right here. Your toilet is designed so that it's on a cassette system, so it can be, it's got a small tank, and you're actually standing in the shower, which the curtain goes around when it's set up. It's not set up right now, obviously. You have fans, max air fans above and below with rain sensors, which is really nice. So if it rains, they'll automatically shut, which is kind of a cool feature to have. Your kitchen actually pushes up in here, and so when we come out of here, you can actually open this door, and I will actually shut the kitchen so you can see. And that's your kitchen in the in mode right there. We do have stabilizers. These are your stabilizer ports. Your step is a simple pull out with your foot system. So you literally just push it in, pull it out with your foot. Try to keep things easy. And everything's got day shades. So your doors have day shades or night shades. Everything has locks. So when your kitchen is in the closed position, it's got locks so nobody can break into it. We try to put arm handles in multiple places so it's easy to get in and out. We are putting a new step. We have a new 2-step system that is coming out on new models. So that is a new update on these. You should be able to store about 1,500 pounds of storage items inside. Solar is on the roof. The air conditioner system is integrated into your Firefly panel, so you can control it right there just from a panel. It can also go on Bluetooth wireless if needed. So the awning is it's an awning for us made by Thule. One cool thing is it will not touch the door. So when it goes out and in, it will never touch your door the way we design it. And the awning literally doubles your living space. It comes out 14 feet. It's almost the length of the whole camper. So it's kind of a cool It's a really cool thing. It does have awning lights. We have lights that go underneath the chassis, and we have door handle lights. So it's kind of nice. So at night, if you need to find your camper and find your handle, it's just right there and it's lit up. So this is your quick walkthrough of a SylvanSport VAST.